Hello, my name is Alexander Zambi, and welcome to my capstone presentation. I went the certificate route for my capstone, and the four certificates I completed were the Google Agile Essentials, Google Cloud Data Analytics, Fast AI, as well as AWS Cloud Practitioner certificates. The first one I chose was the Google Agile Essentials certificate because it is very imperative in meetings to be able to follow the Agile methodology, as most meetings and projects in the real world follow that route as well as Scrum. So being able to know the proper way to act and solve problems in these meetings is essential. Next up is the Google Cloud Data Analytics certificate. And I chose this certificate because I want to have a career eventually in sports, and there are lots of data analytics jobs in that field. Having this certificate would make me a more defined candidate for the job. Next was the AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate. I chose this one because everything in today's world is in the cloud. I have to be able to deploy software to it and understand everything about it to succeed in my field. Lastly, I chose a Fast AI certificate because it dives deeper into machine learning, and pairing it with data analytics can help me greatly in sports-related fields. Also, machine learning and deep learning is on the rise. And with this certificate, I created a mini project that I'll demo here. And first up, we have a machine learning project which uses NBA data to better understand and predict winning outcomes. I started by analyzing historical team and player statistics like shooting efficiency, assists, rebounds, and turnovers, and identified patterns that separate teams that win and lose. And I eventually settled on efficiency, ball movement, and limiting turnovers to predict wins and losses. And so you just go and you pick a season of NBA games. I'll go to the latest season of data available. I'll choose Team Dallas, and if we predict the game, it has the outcome percentages as well as the real accurate result of that game. As well with that, I also built a model that shows a player similarity component, and using statistics such as true shooting percentage, per 36 stats, and shooting percentage, people can use this to help with scouting, roster construction, or finding replacements for specific roles. And all you do is you search for a specific player. Let's find someone named Steph, and I can go through the list, do Steph and Curry, and we can choose from 5 up to 30 players to show on the list, find similar players, and we see a list of all players in the NBA during this time, and the most similar at the top in regards to points, assists, rebounds, and shooting percentage. And this project shows how sports data can be transformed into predictive tools which can help teams make more data-driven decisions. And then with that, that's a conclusion of all my certificates. And a reflection about this is that I was very happy with what I did, as I was able to dive deeper into things that were areas of interest to me, such as sports and data that way. And I was also able to learn new skills with machine learning, as well as reinforce old ones with more practice using SQL and Python. As well, with each certificate, I was able to apply real experience with a project to each certificate. But if I had to go back and do it again, I would like to add a cybersecurity course to gain extra knowledge on the side. And that is my presentation. Thank you, guys.